In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize ChatGPT to enhance your customer service experience. Whether you're running a small online boutique or a larger e-commerce platform, creating a refined and efficient customer service process is crucial in maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. Using ChatGPT can help streamline your responses and ensure consistency across various communication channels. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open ChatGPT. To do this, head over to chat.openai.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a new chat. Setting up a new chat ensures that you're starting with a clean slate, ready for fresh interactions that pertain specifically to your customer service needs. Next, instruct ChatGPT to act as a customer service agent. For instance, you might say, "Please act as a professional customer service agent for an online clothing store. Answer customer questions in a polite, clear, and supportive way." This prompts ChatGPT to adopt a customer service mindset, ready to address the inquiries and concerns of your customers professionally. Once ChatGPT is set in its role, it's time to incorporate some training with commonly asked questions. Feed it typical FAQs that your customers might have, such as, "What is your return policy? How long does shipping take? And do you ship internationally?" Ask ChatGPT to craft concise and friendly answers for each of these. This will not only equip the AI with the necessary information, but also demonstrate how it should interact with your customers in a pleasant and informative manner. With the basics in place, let's move on to handling customer complaints. Imagine a scenario where a customer has received the wrong size and is understandably upset. Encourage ChatGPT to write a response that is calm, apologetic, and focused on providing a solution. This practice will ensure you have pre-prepared responses that can diffuse tricky situations gracefully, keeping the customer at the heart of your conversation. Now, take time to personalize these responses to fit your business specifically. Adjust the answers to align with your brand's tone, whether it's professional, caring, and helpful. And make sure to incorporate your store name, such as Brightwear, into the replies. This touch makes the automated responses sound tailor-made for your business, creating a seamless experience for your customer. Finally, once you're satisfied with the responses generated by ChatGPT, it's crucial to save them. Copy these responses into your customer service template or help desk tool. Using these as canned replies on various platforms like email, live chat, or social media not only saves time but also maintains consistency and professionalism in every customer interaction. And there you have it, strategically setting up ChatGPT as your customer service ally. By embedding this tool into your routine, you can foster a more responsive and efficient service experience that's bound to satisfy and retain your valued customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your customer service efforts.